Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. Thank you for joining us for today's local market update for Wood County Northeast. That is everything north of US 6 and east of State Route 25. It excludes MLS areas 53, 54, and 55, which is Perrysburg Township, Rossford, Northwood, and Lake Township, as well as Bowling Green. So let's dig in. Some positive news here in Wood County Northeast is that we're starting to see some new listings trickling in. And what that's doing is that's helping pending sales go up significantly. And then we're also seeing closed sales starting to go up significantly. The issue that we're still having is this number down here, folks, is still way too low. 2.2 months of inventory is not enough, and it's actually receding, even as we're starting to get a little bit of help with new listings. And the reason why it's still receding is that the demand for housing right now is so high that most of the houses that are hitting the market are selling for tens of thousands of dollars above asking. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh, it's a terrible time to be a buyer. That's not true. And hear me out. This is why. It's only going to get more expensive. All these doom and gloomers that are predicting that the market is going to crash and all this bad stuff is going to happen, not probably going to happen that way. So the market may course correct, but what that will result in is probably a plateau effect, not so much a crash. What is more likely to happen is we're going to see interest rates continue to go up. We're going to see cost of living continuing to go up thanks to inflation. And because those two things are going to happen simultaneously, what's likely to happen is it's going to become less affordable for you to buy a new home. So right now, what you're doing is you're hedging against future inflation by buying in today's prices. And if you're a seller, take advantage of this market today because it won't be here forever. Eventually, things will settle down and cool off, and it's just going to be more expensive for you to buy on the other side. So if you're selling or you're thinking about selling, whether it's your house is too small, too big, not in the right location, whatever it may be, life is too short. You should be living the lifestyle you want, and Jim T with Key can help you get there. Give us a call today. We'd be happy to discuss your options. Don't let these numbers scare you, again, especially if you're selling, because right now you're going to be surprised how much equity you may have in your current house. And that equity will be able to turn around and use it for the next one. And because interest rates are so low, you are in a position where you can afford far more house than what you would normally be able to with a higher interest rate. Outside of that, just to kind of reiterate my point from earlier, this was the crash of 2009, and this was some of the effects of the crash of 2009. After that, we've seen the market do nothing but go up. This trend, folks, is likely to stay for the long haul. And the only thing you're doing is hurting yourself by waiting longer, because it's just going to become more and more and more expensive the longer you wait. And you're going to afford less and less and less home. So my advice to you, give us a call. Let's talk about your unique situation. Let's see if we can't help you live the lifestyle you're dreaming of. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you found this information to be informative. This has been Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I am signing off from the White House in Bowling Green. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. That way you are able to get future videos right to you. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been an absolute pleasure, and we look forward to serving you soon. Have a great day.